Hi everyone, welcome. From today's video, I'm going to start a complete playlist in which I'm going to guide you from beginner to almost intermediate on how you can set up a complete cPanel web server. Okay, and we will be going to cover this will be same for cPanel VPS or dedicated server or a VDS. Okay, the process is going to be completely simple. Okay, so let's get started. In this video, I'm just going to give you the basic overview from where you can get the better services and where it's going to be better to choose. Okay, and I'm going to give you a basic recommendation, and from the next video I'm going to record that same video now, but I'll divide this into two parts. Okay, so let's get started. Now if you are basically looking to purchase reliable license, this website basically comes under me. You can just go with hoststrip.com, and I'll just provide this link in description where you can basically purchase shared cPanel license. If I just give you a basic cPanel license overview, it's only cPanel license cost here $3 for unlimited accounts. Okay, and this is here our license bundle. I'll just give you the basic overview. Furthermore, we also offer you many cPanel server and server management services and add on a few services. I'll give you the overview. Coming to the shared license part, here you can see you can create a limited account and everything works for here. Okay, now we also offer you add-on. If you scroll down, like a Unify Jet Backup, and then Light Speed, and side pads of Tackles, Visualizer, or the WHM reseller, and all the resources required here, Cloud Linux, and everything required. Okay, coming to the part, let's suppose if you are going to build a complete web server, so you need a bundle, and that could be much reliable. If you go for purchasing these licenses one by one, this is going to cost you $30 almost at Hoststrip. Okay, and if you go with the license bundle, the license bundle is going to be just $12 per month. And if you go with higher billing, let's suppose yearly or 6 months or 3 months, the discount may vary. Okay, and on yearly billing, this is just $10. Okay, so it's going to be completely your choice which billing period you choose. So yeah, let's just see a basic overview I'm going to give you here. And there's this order here. You just need to click on this order button once you are here. Okay, and then you will just need to provide here the IP address of your server. Okay, make sure to just provide here only the IP address. If you make any problems here, your order may not be proceed, or maybe some kind of issue may occur. So make sure to double check this IP address. And then since you are doing this, I have already told you the discount, and I've already told you the discount varies basically on the billing cycle you choose. Okay, this is going to be completely your choice which billing cycle you choose. And yeah, so you can save as much you go. Okay, I'll say you should go for at least 3 months. It will save you a lot more. Okay, let's just go for clicking on this continue button. IP address I forgot. I'm just going to paste here some demo IP. Okay, 1234. You can enter here anything, but make sure to provide your IP address, and then just click on this checkout button, and it will forward you to the checkout button. Okay, now here if you scroll a bit down, you're going to find out this payment option. Okay, I'm already logged in with somebody's account, so I'm going to do basic installation for him. So I just thought, why should I just record a complete course guide for you. So yeah, now here is our basically payment options that we offer you. Bcash for Bangladesh, I believe, and then EasyPaisa for Pakistan, UPay for India, and Binance. Of course, we have got here USDT and crypto stuff. We have got here PayPal. The reason PayPal pricing is higher, I'm basically using third-person PayPal account. So yeah, I'm very soon going to register an LLC, and then this will be all removed. Okay, and then we have got here Pioneer option, which is basically not going to work for you because the billing is never going to increase more than $100 unless you go for yearly plan. Okay, and the card option. Let's suppose you want to pay via card, just let me know or order with this option, and just let us know via the ticket. I am my server manager. We will check the ticket, and we will provide you a custom ticket, basically a custom link where you can just open and pay with your local country Visa, debit, Visa card, MasterCard for Union card, debit cards. Okay, it works with every country other than war zone countries. Let's suppose Israel, Palestine, and then I believe there is other few countries. So basically, no, it works for those. Doesn't work only on those countries where there are some sort of war zones, and also doesn't work in Nepal because Nepal has some sort of limitation. So if you're from Nepal and watching this video, you can just let me know. We will provide you a Razor Pay link, and you can pay using that. Okay, there's no worries. We have got you covered from the payment end. Regardless to contact us, you are just contacting us. If you just go a bit down to the home page, you can contact us using this button on the WhatsApp, or you can just click on this button here to contact us. Okay, just go click on this button here, contact us. You will be here on this contact us ticket option. You can open a customer support ticket, or if you just scroll a bit down, you can just go to this button here and just let us know, and we will provide you customer support regarding that. Regarding managing license, at the moment, I'm not gonna lie, the numbers are real on this website because this is SaaS, and as a CEO, I love SaaS. Okay, so that is the reason why you can just go with hosted.com. Okay, now let's come to the part. If you basically need managed server license, another point I just missed out here, we provide you a managed license as well, and within that, server installation services and management services. Click on this button here. If you need installation help, we can provide you. Of course, this is not going to be a fixed price. If your budget is low, just contact us. We will do something for you in this budget, okay? And let's suppose you want only management services, you can just go with this plan as well, okay? Now, let's suppose you need dedicated server. If you do not know, I'm the founder and the CEO at Toys at the moment. And if you just click on this option here, visit our website, I'll provide all these links in the description, okay? Within this installation guide, everything there, okay? And if you just click on this reseller tab here, I'll just show you this reseller tab on our website, and then just click on this dedicated reseller option. You are basically going to find out our pricing. If you scroll a bit down, you're going to find out dedicated server. These are completely managed machines. I will post a video on this, how we work on them, how we provide you services, and here we provide you the same shared license we have at hoststrip.com. When you order a dedicated server, we basically on the backend order this license for you, okay? And then coming to the part, I'll just show you here. These servers are completely managed. You can just see here, all server setup, server management, server security, firewall. Furthermore, the best thing, we provide you on every Saturday, we will provide you a complete report. How is your server going right now? And everything like that, okay? And this is the best thing, nobody is going to provide you that. We provide you almost 11 locations. I will update this very soon on the website, which includes Singapore, India as well, okay, and France and a few other countries as well. Okay, we will do everything. And then coming to the license part, I've already told you this is basically managed server, but we provide you shared license by default. If you need official license, you can do that as well, okay? In this complete series, I'm going to set up complete shared license, not and a single license is this series not going to be official, okay? Next is the more section here. You can just check here the details what we're going to do, as I've told you already. And this is going to be completely managed server. If you face any server related issues, you can just let us know at Hoyes using the contacts port. If you just go to the footer, I'll just go to the footer here. You can just contact us here, raise a ticket, or you can just click on this button here, contact us on WhatsApp, okay? You'll find me out mostly on the most sports channel. The reason is simple. On front end, I manage every single thing from sales to technical support. And let's suppose if I do not understand and if there is a lot of burden on me, and then I'll forward to my team, okay, my server manager. So yeah, this is how basically it works for me at OS. So yeah, let's get started. Now this is completely how on you can start. And if you're looking for managed server, I'm going to give you a suggestion. You should not start your web hosting business based on that you don't know nothing about Linux. I personally don't know a lot about Linux. I do have a server manager that I have recently hired, another one who is basically managing these servers, okay? I'm also a student of Linux till now, almost a lot of time now, and still at this time I'm learning Linux, okay? So only learning Linux is not enough for this. You need to learn databases. You need to have a basic understanding on how everything works here, okay? So yeah, that is all for now. And I just want to let you know, if you should not start with the basic knowledge. If you are going to avoid this place and you're thinking that you should start a complete business watching this series, I would suggest you should not, okay? The reason is simple. I've already told you, you should you are supposed to have the basic server management knowledge. Within that, you are supposed to have good knowledge in databases, in securities, in frameworks, in a lot of things as well. Okay, you need to have basic knowledge for debugging and everything. Okay, if you don't know anything, and just trust me, you are not going to find any cheaper server, affordable server than this pricing. Okay, if you just go to the VDS option, we are going to add here the Hetzner server. And one of the most asked question was, which service providers we are using? Do we have our own in-house servers, or are we using any external company? So at first we basically use the all tech giants company, the cloud providers from Nexia, then coming to the Hetzner and a few other companies. And if you wish, you want to bring your own server and just ask us to manage your server, we can do that for you as well. Let's suppose you want, I will have my server access on my own. I will just give you the license, server login details. You have to set up, you have to manage and do everything for me. We can do that obviously for you. Okay, so for this video, this is going to be enough, but I'm going to cover in this complete course will be, if you go to this license bundle here, I'm going to teach you cPanel installation, then we will go to the Cloud Linux, then we will go for the Lightspeed, and then we will go for the Immunify, Immunify, then we will do then after these add-ons. Okay, these add-ons I'm going to install maybe in one video, but this other stuff is going to require multiple videos as they take a lot of time to install. The VPS I'm going to use for this video, somebody provided me, and it's basically in BDIX location. Okay, so for that reason, this VPS will be a bit slow, so I have to create multiple videos. Okay, and happy new year to everyone. Happy new year 2026 everybody. So if you have any question, just let me know in the comment section. I'll try to help you out. And if you want somebody to teach you this everything like me, or something like, if you want me to teach you this everything face to face on some Google Meet or AnyDesk, you can just check every links in the description section. I provided every link on how you can reach me, also the comment sections, how you can reach me, what are these websites and what we do and what's my role in these old websites. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much for watching and happy new year. Goodbye.